Concerns about climate change are increasing, affecting Canada with severe heat waves and wildfires. In today's GeoSnap, we will explore the climate change data and resources hub together. Let's see how this site will deepen our understanding of climate change issues. The Climate Change Data and Resources Hub is a hub site that focuses on tracking Canadian climate change-related goals and available resources. It includes web applications, story maps, web maps, and many other special data. There are three main sections on this site. The first section is Canada's climate goals. We have 4 specific goals for adapting to the environment. These 4 goals all have a short description on the homepage. If you click Continue Reading, you will be led to the corresponding page. Otherwise, you can also choose different goals from the header. Each goal page contains 3 subtopics. When you click View Examples, you will see available resources under this subtopic. All these resources are within the range of Canada. The second section of this hub site is Live Data and Resources. Here we tackle 3 climate issues. There are wildfires, floods, hurricanes, and extreme weather. Currently, we are still building the floods page and hurricanes and extreme weather page. There will be something like this wildfire page, with live updates on wildfires and handy wildfire data resources. We also provide the other 2 open data sites that allow users to search their data. Users can use the first site to discover a wide range of spatial data sets. Users can filter through types, source, tags, or categories. In comparison, the second site, Discover Open Data Source, is a collection of resources that are open to the public and contain climate change-related data. Here we have the ArcGIS Living Atlas site. We also have sites that provide satellite imageries. Feel free to explore them to find your data. The last section on the hub is called Take Action. The Join the Discussion page allows you to participate in different discussion boards. We want to hear your voice. The last page is Learn ArcGIS for Climate Action. It includes resources for people who are new to ArcGIS and want to learn ArcGIS to address climate change issues. Now it's your turn. Use this website to see how you can help with adapting to climate change.